Hi, this is Larry Hatch. I'm a horticultural taxonomist for cultivar.org, and I want to let you know about the free, 100% free, no email address, no sign up, no credit card, no nothing. Just go to cultivar.org, and it's all free. Hatch's Interior Plants, and it is the largest encyclopedia of houseplant, interior plant, and tropical plant ornamental varieties ever published. I've been doing this for 35 years, and it was given and sold to libraries for many years, and I decided to make it a public, free website, and there are literally thousands and thousands of varieties of houseplants on there. Coleus alone, there's 1,600. Nothing like it anywhere else. There's over 272 ficus. It's just huge, and it's all free right there. Just go to cultivar.org, and it's become over the years the largest, most respected encyclopedia, and because I put my name on it, I'm working really hard with many partners to keep it that way. It is the trusted source for houseplant names. We do extensive botanical research on the correct species names, and sometimes that's opinions, so we present multiple opinions. One thing that makes it different is that we do have more cultivars. We have more detail. We compare the varieties. We have better images, huge images. Our standard is 1250 pixels wide. We have expert reviews. I know a lot of experts in different groups of houseplants, and I call on them. And again, I have over 45 years experience growing many of these plants myself. We also have source links. You just click on the link, it takes you to the mail order nursery online, and you can buy the plant. You know, I don't want to just talk in abstract about plants. I want to get you connected to the people selling them. It's portable everywhere. You can put it on your phone, your tablet, your laptop, whatever it is, either through the internet, or you can download the files free. And there are regular updates at least twice a month. You'll see new and rare houseplants that you will not see on any other website, certainly not in any houseplant book. Plants that are new and brand new to the trade. We also respect history, so we go back and look at a lot of the classic old cultivars as well. And as this screen shows, yes, there are 272 varieties of Syngonium, or arrowhead plant, and I have a video by this name, but you can find them all in Hatch's Interior Plants at cultivar.org. So please give us a look. Thanks.